In the previous videos, we have a clear idea about the concept of Poisson distribution. Now, we will discuss with some examples. A question is like this. A manufacturer knows that the condensers he makes contain an average 1% defectives. This is 1% defective. He packs them in boxes of 100. What is the probability that a box picked at random will contain 3 or more faulty condensers? So before knowing the solution, you should check for what is the n value, whether n value is given directly or not given. First of all, I already told to you n should be the large number of trials. So here in that pack 100 boxes are given, so that is n value. So we are considering that n value as the large number, that is n is total number of condensers in that box packs. Next, coming to the next point, we should discuss about P. Why? Because in the formula we should know lambda value. Lambda value is mean. So that lambda may be given in the question as mean or average or in terms of n and p. So in these three cases you will get in the question as a lambda value or average or n and p values. According to this data, you can confirm that question is related to the Poisson distribution. Next, so this 100 is the large number, so that is small n. Next, you should take the probability of successes. That probability value should be as small. So here it is given as the probability of defective condensers. Defective condensers as 1%. So 1% is very small, that is 0.01. Next, we have to apply Poisson distribution. So Poisson distribution formula is already well known to you. E power minus lambda, lambda power x by x factorial. So in this we need to know about lambda value and then x value. So for this lambda value, how we can define? Lambda is equal to n into p, that is n number of large independent trials, p is the number of successes, and that n value is given as 100 and p is 1%. So 1% can be written as the fraction form 1 by 100, and we'll get the value of lambda as 1 by cancelling 100 and 100. Next, in this another value should be known as E. E already you know the value 2.718. Next coming, what is the value of x? So this x is always the question asked in the final line. So what is the question asked here? What is the probability that a box picked at random will contain 3 or more faulty condensers? So 3 or more. This is the case of x value. So 3 or more. So I am taking the probability of x as greater than or equal to 3. That indicates equality 3, and this greater than is more than 3. So I cannot write the probabilities from x value as 3 to infinite up to n. So I can simply convert this one as 1 minus p of x less than 3. So that I can write the probabilities of x as the sum of 3 x values. Is it clear the point? Here the x value starts from 3 to infinite. So we cannot write the probabilities of those all x values sum. So I convert it as 1 minus p of x less than 3. So 1 minus of, so here it is indicating minus, and here we are writing the sum of the probability values of x. So you have to keep a bracket. So 1 minus of p of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, and then x is equal to 2. Why? Because x less than 3. So below 3 you have values as 2, 1 and 0. Next, in this is probability of x is equal to 0. So substitute in the Poisson distribution formula wherever the small x value is 0. So here in this case already we have converted lambda value as 1, and then here putting x value as 0, and here also 0. That comes e power minus 1 by 0 factorial plus e power minus 1 by 1 factorial if you substitute x value as 1 and x value as 2, e power minus 1 by 2 factorial. Now this in this you have all with e power minus 1. So take out e power minus 1 as outside the bracket, and if you expand 0 factorial, so always 0 factorial value as 1 only. Next, 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So you can have an idea about this factorial values. So substituting this e as 2.718, you will get the final value as 0.0803. So this is the first problem with the data of n and p. Next problem is related to not given n value and p value. So check out how we can identify whether it is not given the n value as the large number. I told you already, if n and p values are not given, you have to check whether the other two words are in that sentence or not. Which words? Average or mean. Check out. This is the second question. If a bank received on the average 6 bad checks per day, find the probability that it will receive 4 bad checks on any given day. So in this case there is no n and p values. So you have only the average 6. So directly the lambda value is given. Next, another value you should have to substitute in the Poisson distribution is x. So here what is the question given? X is always related to the question. Find the probability that it will receive 4 bad checks. So 4 bad checks means x is equal to 4. So simple question for 2 marks. That is, the data is given like this. Given average lambda is equal to 6 by Poisson distribution. This is the probability of Poisson distribution from formula e power minus lambda power x by x factorial. By taking x value as 4 and lambda value as 6, by simplifying this you will get finally the value as 0.1339. Now 2 different questions we have covered by doing this Poisson distribution. Another problem related to the cards, that is a car. So this is the question. A car hire firm has 2 cars which it hires out day by day. The number of demands for a car on each day is distributed as a Poisson distribution